It's Dirty Dan. Dirty Dan. And don't forget, me and my horses are running this town, and you'll do as we say. And them that don't like it will have to answer to me. You hear? Hey, get away from my apples. Go on, beat it. Just a minute. Them's my apples, and everything in this town is mine. And if my horse wants to eat them apples, he can. Now dance.
Da-da-da-dum-dum-da-doo-dee-da-da-doo. Looks like a nice, friendly little town.
Hold it right there, stranger.
Well, what's the matter?
This year's a one-horse town, and there ain't no room for no horse but my horse. Now turn around and get. This is our town. Ain't that right, Tiger? Cut that out! Someone might be looking.
Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me.
Hold on. What is this thing?
Oh, the latest thing, a horseless covered wagon.
Howdy, ma'am.
How do, sneaky-looking scoundrel?
That's not nice. Yeah, kitty-kitty-coo. Oh!
Sorry about that.
That's the ugliest baby I ever did see. Just a minute. Are you sure that's a baby?
Oh, yes. Cute little feller. His name is Horace.
Your baby eats hay?
Yes. It's good, you know. Full of vitamin hay. Try some.
Now take your stupid horse and get out of town.
What do you mean? My horse is smarter than yours.
Oh, yeah? Can your horse dance? Watch this here.
Your horse must have flunked dancing school. Take it, Sugarfoot.
Well, any horse can dance, but my horse can count. He's got brains. Count to 3, Tiger. There, see?
All right. Watch this. Sugarfoot, you count to 4. That was careless of you, Sugarfoot.
I challenges you to a horse race.
And the loser has to get out of town.
And stay out.
It's a deal.
Let's go. When I counts to 3, we start. 3.
You can do it, Sugarfoot, old boy.